Mike Sack. I'm the CEO of Terracode, and I'm coming to you from the cockpit of an SR-22, a Cirrus airplane. One of the really cool things about this airplane is that it actually has a parachute built into it that will allow us to land the airplane safely in the event of engine failure or some mechanical failure of a control surface. The handle for the parachute is right here, so if everything goes wrong, I've got that nice little backup. It's a popular feature, and certainly a reason why people think this is one of the safest planes to be flying. Now, safety is a very important thing, and at Terracode we do a lot of work in an area called Internet of Things. One of the big things that we try to do is improve safety wherever possible. So we work with a company that makes surgical equipment to do laser procedures on the eye, and of course we want that equipment to be operating in prime condition. We monitor the data coming from those machines, and we are using the data to predict when the machines need service up to a week ahead of time. It's actually quite amazing. So we know a week before the machine is going to stop performing correctly, and we can send information to our client. They can send technicians out, they can service the equipment, make sure that it's always operating properly, always providing safety. We use data science to do it. It's part of what we do at Terracode. We connect equipment, we listen to the messages and data they send, we turn that data into something valuable. Thank you very much.